She's here! The second Defalucy to be officially staying in my collection. Or should I say the third, honestly? Let's just get into the video. Hola, high fashion dollars. My name is Christopher y bienvenidos to Just Christopher TV. I'm very excited today. I'm very excited, mostly because this girl's been waiting for a few days. I've had to film this video when I'm like properly mentally prepared to do so. Okay, we got to do things when we can. Thank you for the honk. Let me clarify my comment at the top of this video. So, in theory, she's actually my third Defalucy that I'm keeping. However, she's the second Defalucy that I'm keeping in a whole. Let me explain that a little bit better. She's the second Defalucy that I'm keeping in her original body. See, I kept an original Defalucy about a year ago, but I rebodied her onto a new face body. So although this would be my third Defalucy I'm keeping, it is the second one with an original body. Yes, I need to like really, we live in a day and age where you really have to spell things out in the world, so I'm spelling it out for you, okay? Now, I didn't take a screenshot of this. It appears that the Defalucy that I kept and the Defalucy that I'm unboxing today have the same skin tone. So, there might be a world where I will have all three of my Defalucys on Defalucy bodies, and I'll be able to like have a Defalucy collection and an IT collection. And I'm very, very excited about that because the way Defa's going, she's definitely going to live in her own little world. Right now, my first Defalucy is living, she's literally living in the living room. She was chilling in the bed for a while, but we moved her up because we need the lower levels of video. So the second Defalucy is going to be joining her friend in the house. Right now, they're going to be occupying the dollhouse for the time being. Yeah, I'm very excited about that. Very excited about that. But anyways, you are not here to hear me talk about the doll. You're here to see the doll. So let's take a look at her. Right in my lap, we have our stunning yellow Defalucy box with the Defalucy logo in the front. We have our standard Defalucy business info in the back. This is what I would call the shoebox design. So you just kind of lift the lid. It is not one of the flap boxes. It is a lift shoebox design. Now, because this doll is like, I'm not gonna say deluxe, but due to the way that she has her accessories, this is the box that has the upper lid where we see her coat, the fabulous Defalucy hanger, and two Defalucy shipping gift boxes. Gift boxes. I love this. Okay, I've been saving them all, and so far for the following Christmas, my theme is going to be black and white, just so I could keep all these under the tree. I have a plan. Okay, so we can remove the upper layer with the accessories, and underneath that we have. I'm so excited about this doll. Like from the moment I saw this one, I just knew. It's kind of similar to the first one that I kept. It was just something where I was like, I have to. Like, I just have to. And Defalucy has made some great updates to their dolls that I'm just... You know what this girl is giving? To me, it's a little Pocahontas meets Cleopatra. Like... Yes. Just, yes. I tilted her head a little bit forward, so you're going to see it that way. Get into that. Get into that. The hair feels really nice. It doesn't look like she has a lot of gel on the loose part, or even in the part in the front. Actually, it doesn't look like she has a lot of gel at all. That's cute. Okay. I'm just so happy. so happy. I'm going to go ahead and unbox her off camera. Going to connect with my doll one-to-one. When you see her again, she will be on the turntable showing you how she was intended, all accessorized, all in perfection. Then we will take a look at her items one by one. And in this video, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to still put the outfit on an IT model because that's what I've been doing. But I will probably be redressing this Defalucy in something a little bit more casual. And then I'll maybe finish the video with a shot of her and her friend in the dollhouse in more casual outfits. Because she's here to keep someone company and she has to go right into that. She has to fulfill her role in the dollhouse. So without further ado, let's go to the next frame. As standard with any Defalucy purchase, we have our certificate of authenticity, as we see here, that also has our care instructions in the back. And our doll stand. Now, something interesting about this doll stand is that the stick, I guess you can call it, that holds the saddle, no longer kind of just goes inside. It actually kind of screws. So you would have to spin it around. And if you look at the bottom of it now, it looks like a screw that goes in. Before, this was kind of like a plain bottom and it kind of just went inside, but now it does not. Now you can screw it in. This is a little detail that I don't know if I cared for, to be completely honest. The way that it was perfectly fine with me, but it's not something that makes or breaks the stand for me, so I'm okay with it. As seen in the packaging, we have a doll hanger for clothing. It is a standard Defalucy hanger. We see the DL logo there. It's made out of metal, has a pretty nice weight to it, and it's gonna go nicely with my collection over there in the closet that I have going on already. In the small Defalucy box, we found our shoes, which are a strappy sandal, as we see here. They are not my favorite shoes, not because of Defalucy. I just tying these around the doll's ankles always bugs me, but it is a very nice look. I cannot deny that. In this box, we also found the earrings. This is a design we have already seen before. Very small. I guess you can call them like a stud hoop. Right? It's like a half moon kind of thing going on. But yeah, a design we've seen before. I would have loved to see something new, but it is what it is. Very simple, straight to the point. It gets the job done. And last, in the smaller box, we also got our handbag, which is a very cute metal heart. It seems that it's a bag that can open, right? It looks like it can. Let's try it. Oh, there it goes. Has a little metal right there, so it can snap back in. Pretty nice long chain. And yeah, it's one of those details where like it's super cute, super simple, but it gets the job done. And it kind of is like a statement piece because how many times do you see a little metal bag? I'm really excited to have this collection because I feel like it's just the right amount of high fashion, minimalist. Just has so many vibes going on. Don't you think? Now, in the bigger accessory box, we found second pair of hands, which are our holding hands. So these were the hands we would interchange just so she could hold her purse a little nicely. So we appreciate being able to have removable hands for better play value. Now, another item in the bigger box is an item that I actually completely forgot about. So it was one of those like, this is here. That's cute. An underwear set in a very nice like champagne color. We have a pair of undies that have a mesh lining inside. We have a hook closure for nice on and off action. And then we have the bra here with some adjustable straps and the same. Oh, no, not the same. This actually has snaps. So we're getting two different closures. We have snaps for the bra and then a hook for the underwear. Interesting. Yeah, I like it. I don't love it on the Defalucy body, but that's just because I don't love the chest articulation, how it looks. But I'm excited to add this on because I think it'll be cute for storytelling. And I also feel like this bra would look nice with a pair of jeans or like under a blazer. There's a lot of play value with this one. So excited for this. Now let's take a look at the items that she was wearing. First up, we have our hosiery, pantyhose, whatever you want to call them. They are a very nice mesh material. So there's, I want to say, not weight, but there's a really nice texture to it. I think that's the best way to put it. Up next, we're going to take a look at the dress, which honestly, when it's not on, it doesn't look like much. I did originally, when I saw photos, think that this was a two-piece, but I'm happy to know that it is a dress and it has a zipper in the back. Honestly, with this material, which is really stretchy, really, really nice and flattering to the body, the only way to get this look would be to have a zipper. So I'm very happy to see that because, yeah, as you see off of the doll, it's just a really weird shape, but on, stunning. Now, last but not least, the showstopper, the coat. Oh, this coat. I'm gonna have so much fun with this coat in the fall. I'm a little sad that this doll came out in the summer, but listen, we're collecting items for later on. It is a very nice, like, faux leather material. Very beautiful. Like, I don't want to say fur. It's not fur. It's more like a fleece. It's like a fleece. This feels like a very luxe fleece. Inside, we see our little Defalucy logo. The coat does have pockets on either side. And it's just so well made. So pretty. The collar can be like popped up or you can like roll it down. So much fun with this coat in the future. I can already see it. Now, let's take a look at our fabulous doll. I mean, look at that face, the lip color, the little beauty mark on the eye, the light gold on the eyelids. It's just, the screening is just fabulous. I'm kind of letting go of the eyelashes a little bit. I don't know if it's because I've been getting accustomed to them, keeping the Defalucy outside of my house, but I'm not as annoyed by them, is what I will say. Now, something I do have to mention, and this is not the first time I've noticed it, but this is the first time that it's kind of like stood out to me. The hair. It seems really nicely rooted. There is no product from what I see. My only pet peeve so far is that it's the hair texture, which I don't have a lot of experience in knowing what it is. What's the best way I could put it? Okay. If I was to kind of put a fan in front of her, the hair wouldn't flow. It kind of just falls and it weighs down and it feels very greasy. Oh, that's what I was looking for. It just has this greasy look to it that kind of bugs me because I feel like posing wise, it kind of just stays in one place and doesn't have a lot of movement. But that's me looking for something to complain about, I guess you can say, because I am in love. She is staying and she is joining her friend. Like, this doll is just, dare I say, just a perfect combo for me. There, I said it. I can't take it back.